What's going on, Mix Nights? Nathen Mixon here. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your push notifications so you don't miss that beat. Today we are going to go through all of my favorite exercises you can do in the gym. Each exercise is going to have 3 sets with around 15 repetitions. So grab your water, grab your weights, and let's learn some new moves. So, you know you're not supposed to skip leg day. Well, the Bulgarian split squats is like the ultimate leg day. It's basically like doing a lunge, but with one foot on the bench, like it's in the VIP section at a nightclub. And let me tell you, the foot is living its best life. But don't let that fancy footwork fool you. This exercise is tough. It's like trying to balance on one foot while doing a lunge, which is basically like patting your head and rubbing your stomach at the same time, but for your legs. So if you want your legs to be strong enough to kick down a door or a runway when a zombie apocalypse is occurring, the Bulgarian split squat is a move for you. Plus, it's a great conversation starter piece for a party, so you can casually drop the, "Oh yeah, I did Bulgarian split squats this morning. No big deal." So you know how people say squat till you drop? Well, the Goblet Squat is like squatting with a fancy chalice in your hands, like you're some sort of royalty or wizard. It's like Harry Potter decided to skip Hogwarts and go straight to the gym. This is the kind of exercise he will be doing. And let me tell you, it's magical how it works the glutes and the core and also the legs all at once. But don't worry. You don't need any actual goblet to do this exercise. You can use a dumbbell or even a kettlebell, but it's not as fun to pretend you're taking a sip of your favorite potion between those reps. So, if you want your legs to be still and your core to be stronger than a dragon, the Goblet Squat is the move for you. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be lifting a real goblet filled with butterbeer and toasting to your gains. Single leg deadlift is like a trust exercise with yourself. It's like saying to your body, "Hey, you know what? I trust you enough to stand on one leg and not fall over while lifting something heavy." It's like trying to walk on a tightrope, but with the weight in your hand and a lot less audience applause. But don't worry, you don't have to be a circus performer to do any of these exercises. Although it may feel like you're juggling a weight and your balance at the same time, it's really just about keeping your core tight and your eyes on the prize, which is, of course, a strong butt and hamstrings, by the way. Now, if you want to feel like a superhero who can balance on one foot and lift a car, okay, maybe not a car, but you get the idea. The single leg deadlift is the move for you. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be finding your newfound balance skills to walk that tightrope and also impress your friends. Mixonites, if you have this machine in your gym, take advantage of it. The leg press machine is like a giant sled that you get to push with your legs. It's like being in a winter wonderland, except instead of the snow, it's a bunch of weights that you're pushing around. But don't worry, you don't need to be an Olympic bobsledder to master this machine. It's like being a kid again on the swing set. You push your legs out and you feel the wind in your hair, or in my case, you feel the sweat on your forehead, depending on how intense your workout is going to be. And when you finally finish your sets on the leg press machine, you'll feel like you just conquered a mountain of weights. You might even be tempted to say, "Move over, Atlas, I've got this." I'm just playing. So if you want to feel like a weightlifting Olympian or a kid on the playground, the leg press machine is the move for you. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be pushing so much weight that you'll need your own personal sled dog team to help you out. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the push notifications, and be on the lookout for more videos. I got a lot of stuff coming up for you all, so I hope you are enjoying these videos. Don't mind the MC Hammer pants. Not sure why I wore those today. But anyway, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.